because nobody else is going to take these out for me. I have to do it for myself. Hello, hello. I am getting ready to go out for a ride with my husband, and I started taking my plaits out of my hair and realized that I promised a couple of people that I would show that on camera. I know that I won't be ready or finished taking these out of my hair before it's time for us to go. So I will finish it in the car. And of course, I'll come back and let you see what the end result is going to be. Because this is going to take more time than I have to get dressed. But yes, I will come back and let you see it on camera. But right now, I wanted you to see this, what it looks like. I'm going to take it all out today. Yeah, it's this time when I have to take these plaits out that I have this feeling that I should have never put them in, because nobody else is going to take these out for me. I have to do it for myself. But thank you, subscribers, for being interested in this channel, for supporting this channel, and for all that you do to help my growth. That's what you do. In a lot of ways you do. And I just wanted to say thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you'll know every time I upload a video. Come on and join the G&G family, where we talk about Sisterlocks, family, friends, and the goodness of God in the land of the living. Because God is good. And I will be right back. Y'all, I'm halfway finished. And I've been taking braids out for 50 minutes. I'll come back when I'm done. When it's completely out. I am back in my house, getting ready to run out one more time. But I wanted to come in and let you see that I finally took all those braids out of my hair. It took quite a while. But it's worth it. I'm going to see how many days this hair is going to stay this way with this crinkle. But I wanted to do my 360 for you. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He keeps me safe. His mercies are new every morning. And He is who He said He is. And He'll do what He said He will do. And now my 360. Good morning. I just wanted to come and do this. I just want to take this off because that's how I had my hair up. And I wanted you to see what it looks like day 2 after the braids. Alright guys, 57 seconds and my hair is done. 360.